Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Figma for prototyping responsive UI breakpoints, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Figma and create a new project. Design a basic user interface layout to start with. Identify the different screen sizes you want to support. For each screen size, create a separate frame. To do this, use the frame tool located in the top toolbar. Set the width and height of each frame to match the target devices. Name each frame according to its corresponding screen size. Use the design components to build your layout within each frame. Ensure that elements are properly aligned and spaced. Select one of the frames to configure its properties. In the right panel, adjust the constraints for each element in your design. Set constraints to define how elements should respond when the frame size changes. For instance, you can set an element to be left aligned for one breakpoint. You can also set it as scale or center for another. Repeat this process for all frames, ensuring a consistent design flow. Once your frames are set, switch to prototype mode. Link the frames to simulate navigation between different breakpoints. Make sure to configure transitions to enhance user experience. Test your prototype using the play button in the upper right corner. Check how the UI behaves across different screen sizes. Make adjustments to constraints as necessary. Once satisfied, you can share your design with others. Use the share button to generate a link for collaboration. Now you have a complete guide on how to prototype responsive UI breakpoints in Figma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.